everyone, welcome to Down Home Eating with Candace, and today we have here Jersey Mike's. Yes, this is my first time eating Jersey Mike's. Ordered it from DoorDash. I have here, and this is the first time eating Doritos Flaming Hot Cool Ranch chips. Here, it's just in case you won't see what they look like. Now, I love my hot Cheetos. I've been eating hot Cheetos since I was like in elementary school. So yeah, it was that serious. And I have here, this is a regular sub, the bacon chicken sandwich. And it has lettuce. The only thing about the app, you can't add on extra stuff like lettuce, tomatoes, onions, mustard. You know, my boo, he had ordered a sandwich too. And when I went to go order it for him, and I do have my ice. This is the coconut mango. But on his screen, on his selection, I was able to add pickles, onions, all that stuff to it. But mine was, this is what you get, and I can only take away stuff. So I was like, whatever. So enough talking. We got a lot to talk about, y'all. I got some story times, and you know your girl got some shout outs for you. Thank you. I know you guys love those. I did not touch this sandwich. All I did was open it up, and this is what it is. So just to kind of let you get an eyeball of what regular looks like. Big bite for y'all. It's got bacon. First impression, taste. It's good. It's good. I was kind of scared to order it because you know how some places have that cheap chicken. And I did not want to have no cheap chicken for dinner. But it's like the chicken steak. You know how they cut up the chicken real fine and put the chives on it? I think it's provolone. Let's try this chip because I love spicy. Tastes like a Dorito. Got the hint of the heat. I do taste the Cool Ranch. This ain't my favorite. I can tell you off rip. I prefer just regular hot Cheetos. But this was the only thing hot that was on the menu at DoorDash, so whatever. But I can rock with him. Take another bite of this. Oh yeah, look at her. Yeah. I can taste the ranch. This is wheat bread. I always try to get wheat bread instead of white bread. It always gives me a little bit more flavor than white bread. Now, this weekend, they got Rolling Loud here in Florida. Well, in Miami. So, there's a lot of tourists and congestion on top of congestion. So that's how it is down here in Miami. So, you know what this tastes like? These chips. It just tastes like a hot chip. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't know why I thought it was going to taste a little different. My son, he's in Chicago for basketball, as you know. If you didn't know, now you know. Mm-hmm. So, have they won a game yet? I don't think they won a game yet. They was there. They got them Friday. They had lost. I'm assuming they probably lost because they was tired. Soon as they got off the plane, they waited a couple of hours and they had to go play. Then today, their first game, 8 o'clock in the morning. Like, who makes these schedules up? Unbelievable. So, of course, they ain't win that one. Because I would have been dog tired just to get up to get in there at 8. And have that much energy. I mean, come on. These kids ain't drinking coffee and stuff. So, he scored. Thank God. He scored like 11 points. So he was good. He had texted me and told me, oh, we playing against Eric Gordon basketball team. So of course you don't know. You know I don't know who that is. Unless you're talking about Jordan, Shaq, somebody like that. So I had to Google him. I believe he plays for the Houston. So his AAU team was playing my sons. They had lost. And then they got another game at 12. Child, they be keeping these kids like that. You get your money's worth, I tell you that much. I love a good soft bread, and they got soft bread. Not no hard, angry bread. So, y'all, let me keep y'all abreast about this water bill, child. So, I'm going downstairs. So my boo always puts the mail that's from the whole week on a Saturday on the table. So I go downstairs, so I see the mail. So I glimpse through it just to see what's going on, whatever. I see the water bill. Now, usually I'll procrastinate and I won't open it. But because last month's bill was so daggone high, it was like $400 high. I was sad paying that one. So, sorry y'all. I'm hungry. I ain't eating nothing. So, I said, you know what? Open up the damn bill, Candace. Stop procrastinating. This year, we not procrastinating. So y'all should see me. I was opening up that bill, like praying over the bill. Please, Lord, please don't let this damn bill, because my mind's like going like $600, $8, $9, I don't know. So I opened it. It said $270. I said, "Oh, praise the Lord, praise Jesus. I'll pay that now." Now that's the amount that I usually pay. But when I talked to the lady at the city, she had told me, Ms. Will Youngs, your bill is supposed to be around $100 and something. So you've always had some leak somewhere. So I said, she told me, give it about 2 cycles, 2 billing cycles. Once it go, back to normal, or what's supposed to be, called us. We'll have to do to come back out to verify. Ain't nothing else leaking. And then they'll credit what I paid with that $400. They'll credit that, and they can credit back to, I think she said, a year. Don't quote me. So I said, okay. Because we had always been paying a high bill. I just had gotten used to paying it because I thought that was the norm, you know? Unbelievable. So, I got one more month. So you figure out at the end of August, to get another bill. And praise the Lord, hopefully that thing is like under $100. As you can see, I'm tearing this up. Pretty nice. Let me find out. Okay. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I ain't had no spicy chips in a minute. But yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all a story time about this stalker I had when I was living in DC in my 20s. My daughter had to be in like 3 or 4 years old. Right now she's 22, so do the math. So that was a long time ago. Now, when I used to stay with one of my other aunts, because I had my Florida tags on my car, they always broke into my car. My play uncle, every time he went to go to the bus stop, he used to text or walk back. What's texting there? I think, yeah, there was texting. So he used to text my aunt and say, they broke into Candace's car again. So I have to roll my butt out the bed and go to my car, try to figure out what I'm going to do. They didn't take nothing. All they wanted to take was my radio system. But they couldn't, because it was one of them, back in the day, where you can detach the face of it and take it with you. It was one of those, so they couldn't jimmy and try to pop out the whole thing. And why would you? Because I had the face of the doggone radio. Dude. My car was in shambles, paperwork everywhere, blah, blah, blah. This happened like 3 times. And yes, 3 times I had to get new windows. So, the first time it happened, I was driving a Nissan Altima. And that back window, it's not the actual back window. It's the very back window. Ooh, excuse me. So, my uncle said, my real uncle, he said, oh, I know somebody who knows how to put it in. I said, okay. So, they told him what car model I had. They went to the junkyard and got it. They got that little back window. You know what I mean? So, he said, after you done with school, come over. And I'm going to tell him to come too. I said, all right, that'll work. So, I met them. I'm at, in there talking with my uncle, whatever. Waiting on the dude. So the dude had to be, oh my gosh, my cousin, he's about 10 years older than me. So he had to be about maybe 30. So he fixed it. He put a new window, the little new window in there, right? I'm cool. So my uncle says, oh, give him your number just in case this happens again. And you can just call him directly just in case you can't get in contact, with me or whatever. In my mind, I said, I don't know this man to be giving him my number. But my uncle, he think everybody is, because they friends with him, that you know how men are. They don't think. He clearly didn't. So a couple of days had passed. So this dude starts texting me like, hey, how you doing? How you adjusting to moving up to DC? And I'm like, I'm good. Thanks for asking. And then he gonna text me again. Oh, if you ever need me to pick you up and show you around DC, let me know or whatever. So I'm like, my whole family from my mother and my father's side stay up here. If I need anyone to show me around DC, I'll ask my family. Right? Wouldn't you? And this man had just came back from his honeymoon when he had just fixed my car. Or the window. Right? But me did not care too much about these chips. I tore them up. Ooh. So, and he had just got married. I wonder if they still married. Anyway. So, he was blowing up my phone. He would just be texting me like, like too friendly type of texts. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, you just got married. What are you doing? In my head, I'm like that. Like, so long story short, I told my aunt, the one that I was staying with, right? So I was like, so what should I do? Because I need to change my number. I don't need him calling me and I ain't trying to get in nobody's business. I am fresh here. I got my baby. I don't need that type of drama in my life. So my aunt, what she did was she kind of told her brother, which is my uncle. So he got on the phone with me. He was like, so what is he saying? I said, I'll send you the text. Or I was reading them verbatim because we couldn't really send text like that. I don't think we could. It was the flip phones and stuff. You know what I mean? So, good. So he saw it or whatever. And I heard through the grapevine that he had a confrontation with him about me. Because at that age, at that point, both my parents were gone. So that's why I was moved up, to DC with me and my baby. So there's a lot of snakes out there that will try to take advantage of that because they see, oh, you ain't really... I don't know what he was thinking because that's who all was supporting me was my family. So it was like, really? This how you want to go? This how you want to roll? Like, I ain't for to be in no drama. But when I tell you, that man blew up my phone, like I owe him some money, okay? And never spent a day with this man, okay? That's like, dude, stop. You embarrassing yourself. Now, I want to ask y'all a question. Have y'all ever had a stalker or just somebody that just out the blue just like giving you too much time? Like, dude, pump your brakes. It ain't that type of lifestyle here. Drop down in the comments and let me know. Okay. And we about to do shout outs right now. Let me put this away. And our first shout out is going to go to Mukbangers Official. I checked out his page, and I like following people that eat different food than myself, because that's how you get real reverse on, different cultures and stuff. So check out his page. Food looks delicious on there as well. The next person is Delicious Denise. She's also a mukbanger too. She talks and like I told you in my last video, I like clicking people's pages who talks. Not too much ASMR, but if you got a good conversation and it's flowing and going in, I can watch it all the way through and make comments throughout the whole video. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, excuse the pig. And my next shout out is to Ghetto Bites, which I like that name. Check out his page too. And tell them that I sent you there. Down Home Eating with Candace sent you there, and I'm here to check out your channel, and it better be good. No, I'm playing. Anyways, we are here to grow. We are here to motivate each other to take everybody to the next level. I know you guys got it in you, and keep pushing. If you are feeling down about your channel, stop overthinking it. Just put out the video, and whatever happens. Stop looking at the numbers. Numbers do not define you. I'm here to tell you, they don't. They really don't. And we got to get off that. We got to just start putting out content that you think people are going to resonate through them. You understand? So thank you guys for joining me. Please comment below. Please like, put a big thumbs up for me. Also, please share this content with your friends, family, whomever that likes this type of material. And click the notification bell. I got more coming, more different foods I'm gonna be trying. You're gonna see a lot of more videos of me trying stuff, because y'all are taking me out of my element. Because I tend to stick to the same routine, especially on the weekends. But this is a first, and this was very good. All right, y'all. Thanks again. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.